It's that time of year again. Road project specialist here. Hit that subscribe button. But it's afternoon. We got 40-mile-an-hour winds right now. It's November 11-ish, and I probably should have done this a little sooner. I got Johnny here, and we're moving the snowplow blade out from in the woods and back, where I keep it tucked away for the summer. And we're going to take that up onto the concrete drive in front of the Four Seasons room, cut that down and get her ready to go. So we know snow has got to be right around the corner here. So project number one here is to get him out and in place. Hit that subscribe button. Take care. So our next step for today is we still have this that we got from Brad a couple of weekends ago. I don't have it all split yet. This is where the new stuff is going. It's getting split. I got 3 piles here, as you can see. I'm going to finish that pile out. Then I'm going to come over to this row and start stacking here too. But right now, I'm taking this wood out of here, and this is going to go in. I just freed up a row inside the woodshed. So this is going to go on the outside row over here in the woodshed. So it gets a chance to dry a little bit more, a little faster than being buried in the 2 feet of snow. So that's going to come over, and it's going to fill in this outside row and maybe some of the second row. So that'll start drying for either next year or this spring. And most of that row is gone already. We're in the middle of November-ish right now. I just refilled I got roughly a face cord sitting on the deck for burning. That's the second time that's been loaded now this year. And then this is what we have left that's been drying since last year. So we're going to start filling it back in on this end. No sense leaving it empty, and that will then dry quicker. So that's our finish up project here for today. Hit that like and subscribe button. We still got to get to the 500 or 1,000 subscribers. I'm working on that so we can get Dean his sandwich. Take care. Have a great day, everyone. So hit that subscribe button if you would. We're still trying to get Dean his sandwich. But you can tell that row that was in back that I was going to move, I got it all in here. We're stacked basically right to the roof. So this will dry. If you remember back in June, I did a video where I was taking down some of the neighbor's trees, and I had long ropes going and pulling those down. That is this wood right here, I think, for the most part. And so we're going to get this in and dry. Hopefully by March, if I absolutely needed to, I could tap into this to burn it. It wouldn't be the greatest. I always like to have a 2-year dry time on it, but it's going to dry a lot better in this woodshed than it would buried in the snow and back. So we've got that taken care of, and now we've got a whole nother row in back where we can pile for the following year's stuff. I've got a couple more trees I might be getting, and that would be good. So we'll see. That would get me probably about 3/4 of the way up to what I need for next year. Have a great rest of the day and week, and thank you for watching my videos. Have a great day. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Try to help me out if you can. Take care.